G'day guys, Merry Christmas. I hope you all had a wonderful day doing whatever it is that you do on Christmas, whether you go to the beach, go to the snow, have dinner with the family, whatever. I hope you had a good time. Today I'm going to be working on these feet. Now this is just stacked up on some of these blocks here. Give me an idea of how it's going to look. I think that's about right. That's what I'm going for. It looks pretty good. Nice and solid. It'll take quite a lot of weight on top of that. So I'm going to go with this. And I've got this block of wood here to create the feet out of. Now, because most of this wood is going to be hidden, I can use this bloody nasty looking piece of Tassie oak here. It looks like I have to knock those front corners off as well. Yep, I like it. That's the basic construction of the TV unit complete. The last things that I need to do is screw the legs up onto the body there, sand the top and put the finish on there. So that's easy work. I'll do that later in the evenings, one day within the next week or so. Now I'm going to start working on the bedside tables. I've got to get the components milled up for the face frame around the drawers and the two frame and panels on the two sides. Alright, so with these components for the bedside tables milled up, I don't want to start on the joinery today because I don't have that much time left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the TV unit and clean up those feet that I started on this morning. So with these feet all cleaned up, I just want to join the top part to the bottom part nice and neatly without getting glued down this corner here. So what I've done is I've already marked it out for some dowels. I'm just going to put 3 dowels in here and I'll join it together using the dowels. That way I can use a very small amount of glue and I shouldn't get any squeeze out through the sides because I don't need a lot of glue. I just need to get them clamped together somehow. Alright, thanks very much for watching. I'm done for the day. I'll see you tomorrow. Keeps them fresh, otherwise they grow fat.